Have you used a fetal Doppler yet? If you're getting new to the idea or are about to get one or are thinking of getting one, I think this is the video for you. A fetal Doppler is a device that allows you to listen to your baby's heartbeat through headphones or a speaker. Usually this special activity only happens during ultrasounds, but now you can hear your baby's rhythm anytime you want. It's very easy to use. Just place some gel on your belly and use the probe to glide over the area. In a matter of minutes, you'll be able to hear and the device will show a heart rate. At first, it might take a little more than a few minutes, but with practice and as the baby gets bigger, you'll become an expert. Although it doesn't replace your medical care, you can ease your anxiety just by listening to his heartbeat. So let's talk a little bit about some of the reasons why you should consider owning a fetal Doppler. Number 1, it can detect a complete atrioventricular block. Every year, about 120,000 pregnant women carry an antibody called anti-SSA. In 2% of these pregnant women, this antibody causes arrhythmia called atrioventricular block. It's irreversible and it kills 10% of the affected babies in uterus and 20% in the first year of life. There's also a 50% chance that that child might need a pacemaker. The good news is that if it's caught in the beginning, that means when the baby's heart is developing, it can be treated. Number 2, less stress. One of the most highly reported benefits of using a fetal Doppler is that it reduces a mother's fear. Since pregnancy complications can happen without a mother even knowing, some women constantly stressed over if their baby's okay. And this is normal in a pregnancy without any complications. Imagine if there was a previous miscarriage. Fetal Dopplers never replace your routine checkups or your medical tests in the case of a suspected emergency. But if you're at high risk for pregnancy complications, such as diabetes or hypertension, using a fetal Doppler can give you the reassurance that you need between these checkups. All these situations can create stress during your pregnancy. If you want to know a little bit more about how stress affects your pregnancy, check out my video here. Number 3, family involvement. If your partner works full-time, it may be difficult for him to attend your appointments, and he may miss out on the opportunity to see your baby on an ultrasound screen. Since the baby is growing inside you, you can feel the kicks and the movements. However, it's difficult for him to bond with the baby before it arrives. Since not a lot has changed in his life, he may still feel that becoming a parent is surreal. With a fetal Doppler, your partner can be more involved. Hearing a heartbeat is very powerful on parents. The experience of hearing the baby's heartbeat can be a fun bonding experience for the entire family. It will make them feel part of the magical mystery of pregnancy. And number 4, it's easy to learn and easy to use. I understand how some colleagues can disagree with a mom using a Doppler because they worry that they can mistake the sounds of gas or movement of the baby for a heartbeat, and this can cause unnecessary stress on the new mom. However, learning how to use a fetal Doppler is not hard at all. Once you recognize your baby's heartbeat, it's very difficult to mistake it with another sound. Remember that in many cases, you need to wait until the 12th week to hear a heartbeat. The galloping sound of a little heart is different from the more whooshing sounds of your own heartbeat. Remember that your baby's heart rate can be a lot faster. Yours will be around 80 beats per minute, and the baby's will be around 140. If you suspect something is wrong, record the sound that you hear and share it with your doctor. Always follow your intuition. So, have you used a fetal Doppler yet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like, subscribe and follow. Thank you for watching.